Before we move deeper into development, we will set up one more essential tool, code coverage. Coverage reports show how well our code is tested, which part of the logic are exercised and which areas need more attention. This is a key part of industrial grade software development, and even though this is a hobby project, we are following professional practices to keep the quality high. We will continue the development using VS Code running on the host PC but connected to our WSL environment. This gives us the best of both worlds, fast editing on Windows and native Linux build tool inside WSL. So let's go ahead and launch VS Code. Here, click this open remote window on the left bottom corner. Click on connect to WSL and it shall make the connection to the WSL instance. Once the WSL connection is made, we can now open our Hello CPP folder here and access our source file. We will modify our code here, but before that, let's install the coverage utility. Inside WSL, install the coverage utilities, and for that we can use the inbuilt VS Code terminal. For me, it was already installed. To make coverage data available in our executable, we need to modify CMake list file. Let's make it as an optional flag, and this is useful when building for embedded targets. We add a simple flag to our main CMake list.txt. Now we can enable coverage anytime by passing enable coverage on. Let's clean the build directory now and rebuild the project with coverage instrumentation. We can run the CMake again, but this time we can keep our flag on. Now we can go ahead and build it. This has generated our run tests executable. Let's go ahead and run that. We can see that it's passed now. That means now we have our executable with code coverage information embed inside. So let's go ahead and create the report. The second command will take the coverage info file and generate HTML file for us. Now we have this folder coverage HTML, and there we should have index.html. Now we have index.html present inside this folder, so let me just reveal it inside the file explorer, and here you can clearly see that the report is available. For example, our test file, it shows which lines were executed, and that's how we can verify. Our main.cpp is not listed here because we haven't tested anything from our main.cpp file. Going further, as a whole project, we are going to include the test for various classes and objects, and we will see this coverage report being expanded with various classes and objects.